Kshitija, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, let me just give you a brief introduction. I'm Kshitija Zadha. I make videos related to our life as Indians in the US, immigration procedures that we have experienced, and also vlogs. I'm also a food blogger. My Instagram handle is The Orange Plates. Do follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. It's been a while that I've actually posted a video on YouTube. It's mainly because we've been really busy with our new house. So if you have watched my previous videos, you already know that we got a new home recently. So we were busy with that, and also we happened to travel to India. We visited our family after almost 3 years. We met everyone after such a long time, and also another reason for traveling to India was our visa extension, which actually brings me to the point of this video about our experience of getting our US visas renewed without an interview. Our experience of the Dropbox procedure. We got our H1B and H4 visas renewed in India. Also, this procedure that I'm talking about is after you have already received your visa approval receipt from the USCIS. Also, this is for someone who already holds a US visa and not for someone who is applying a US visa for the first time. So the first step after we received our approval receipt was to fill the DS-160 form. As per DS-160 requirements, we filled in all the details, and then the next step was to pay the fees. So we paid fees for the both of us, which was through Axis Bank in India. There are multiple options of other banks too. So I think within 24 hours of paying the fee, the link for looking at the appointments for the interview becomes accessible. So we were able to basically access the link for the appointments in almost 1 to 2 days. So after filling in all the details on the appointment page, we got a few questions popped up on the screen. Questions like have we ever been issued a US visa, or was there any refusal for our visa, that sort of questions. So after answering all the questions, there was a message that popped up on the screen which said we are eligible for an interview waiver program. So that message actually meant that yes, actually we can get a Dropbox appointment and we don't have to go through an interview to get our visa renewed. So we started looking for Dropbox appointments. We could select a city from the list, we could select a date. So the dates that were available were like around 4 to 5 to 6 months away from the time that we were looking for it. So we were actually looking into it in the month of January 2021, and we got an appointment for May 2021. So I would say the situation at that point of time was a little better than what it is like now. I mean, the appointments wait time is really long right now, but it was still fine at that point of time. And though we did not get the city that we wanted Mumbai, we got Delhi. We were still okay with it. We were really flexible with the cities because I think the other cities had longer wait times. According to this visa appointment date, we planned our trip to India. We had already booked our tickets earlier because we were sure that we had to travel for the appointment during that time. We traveled to Delhi for our Dropbox appointment. In Delhi, we had to go to US Visa Application Center. So basically it's the same place where the biometrics take place. We don't have to go to the embassy basically, and that's why it's okay if you're carrying a lot of stuff with you, especially if you have someone who's coming along with you, because anyway just the primary visa applicant has to go inside, not everyone. So in our case it was just the two of us because I was a dependent. Only Omkar, my husband, had to go inside, so I could stay outside with all this stuff. But when it comes to the embassy, we all know we cannot carry anything inside, so we need lockers, or we need to plan accordingly. But in this case, that's not a problem. We actually reached there. I had to wait outside and only Omkar had to go inside. And so as per his experience, I know what all steps actually take place inside. So after getting inside, it barely took him 15 to 20 minutes in the queue, and all he had to do is submit all the documents for the both of us. He had all the documents in place, just that they wanted a Xerox copy of the marriage certificate. So fortunately he had the original marriage certificate, so the lady there, she took the Xerox copy herself. He didn't have to come outside to get a copy or something. So I would definitely advise you all to carry all the originals just in case, even if they are not mentioned in the documents checklist, because I don't think marriage certificate was mentioned in our DS-160 checklist, but we still happen to carry it. So he also submitted our passports. You all know, if it's a visa extension or renewal, you have to submit all your previously owned passports too. So we submitted our passports, and within a week's time we got our passports delivered at our home through premium delivery. I would recommend taking a premium delivery, because that's going to just deliver your passport faster. And that was all. It was very simple. That's it. No hassle at all, and pretty quick. No extra questions asked, no pressure like people get during an interview at the embassy. It's just the Indian people working there, so it's pretty simple and not complicated at all. I hope our experience is going to help you during your appointment or when you plan to renew your visa. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a good one. Bye bye.